Yo, I'm so tired of hearing about these sp2 and sp3 hybridization thingies for carbon atoms. What are they all about? Well, I'm glad you asked. Okay, so hybridization itself is a process where numerous orbitals at extremely similar energy levels fuse together to bond. This occurs because this allows for more favorable geometric shapes to occur when bonding and decreases the overall energy of the entire molecule. Alright, so like think about hybridization as two different orbitals fusing together in the middle ground in terms of their energy levels. For example, instead of carbon, there's s and p orbitals. So sp orbitals are just the middle ground in terms of energy between s orbitals and p orbitals. An example would be sp2 hybridization. Yeah, so in sp2 hybridization, there is one s orbital and two p orbitals which fuse together to make an sp subshell. So that one remaining p orbital which isn't fused, it acts as just a regular p shell, and it looks like a dumbbell, compared to the sp orbitals which have their own unique shapes, which act as sort of a fusion between s and p orbitals. Okay, so how does this even like logically work, and why does it even happen? All right, like doesn't the s orbital, since the sp orbitals are just mere means between the s orbital and the p orbitals in terms of energy, why does this happen? Because the s orbital is literally gaining energy, increasing to become an sp orbital. So the main reason why hybridization even occurs naturally is because p orbitals are at a much higher energy level than the s orbital, but close enough that hybridization can still occur. Thus, when two p orbitals could decrease their energy to make sp orbitals, that decreases the overall energy of the entire atom enough that it can compensate for the s orbital gaining more energy. So you can take this as like, this proves that matter will even make new orbitals just to decrease the energy of its system. And there you go, and that's what hybridization is all about and why it happens.